friends, how are you? I think you all are doing great job. Now today we unboxing MAK wireless lavalier microphone MK08. It is interesting to discuss in the pack of MAK microphone. How many thing in the packet?
The MAK wireless lavalier microphone, likely referring to the MK08 model, appears to be a budget-friendly option for content creators, vloggers, and mobile journalists. Here's a summary of its key features. Pros: wireless. Offers a 20 m connection range with minimal delay, eliminating cable entanglement. Omnidirectional condenser microphone. Picks up sound from all directions for clear and consistent audio capture. Plug and play. Easy to connect to smartphones, tablets, and cameras with either Lightning or Type-C adapters. Noise reduction. Features: intelligent noise reduction technology and a windshield to minimize background noise. Long battery life. Up to 6 hours of recording time on a single charge. Compact and portable. Small and lightweight for easy carrying and discreet use. Cons: limited compatibility. Primarily recommended for mobile devices, may not work with all cameras or professional audio equipment. Sound quality. While decent for everyday use, might not meet the standards of professional audio productions. Durability. Build quality may not be the most robust, especially compared to higher EOS. Overall, the MAK wireless lavalier microphone seems like a decent choice for beginners and casual content creators looking for a simple and affordable wireless microphone solution. However, if you need professional-grade audio quality or wider compatibility, you might want to consider other options. Things to consider before purchasing.
Your budget. The MK08 is a relatively inexpensive option, but there are other wireless microphones with better features at higher price points. Your intended use: if you only plan to use the microphone for casual vlogging or social media content, the MK08 might be sufficient. However, if you need it for professional recording or live performances, you'll likely need a better microphone.